So I'm just doing a quick review on, you can kind of see how the review is going to be going based on this, but the product I was using, Weld Exhaust Weld. This is the high heat version, withstands up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use this on headers. So that's exactly what we did. And it lasted about, I'd say, 3 drives. And when did it fail? It failed when I kind of had full boost. It basically flaked away. This whole piece is gonna move. I'm just gonna scrape this off. But yeah, so do I suggest doing this long term? No. I'm gonna put another round on it, just enough to last me through the weekend, and then I'm gonna pull it off, and one of my buddies owns a machine shop. I'll have him weld it and do it the right way. So do I suggest this? No. Is it a quick fix? Is it a Band-Aid until you can get to the hospital? Yes.